Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will be taking a hands-on look at the Linksys Velop Micro 6 mesh system and seeing what it actually offers for home Wi-Fi users. So the very first thing that you will notice about Velop Micro S is the compact design as compared to many other bulky mesh systems. There is the unit that is much smaller and easier to place around the house. Even though these units are compact, they still support the Wi-Fi 6 technology with dual band AX3000 speeds and multi-gig support on the newer models. If we talk about the setup process, so that is also very beginner friendly. You can configure the system using the Linksys application or via the browser setup. So one nice thing is that many of the Velop Micro units come paired, which makes the installation much faster as compared to some other mesh systems. Now, in the real world usage, the Velop Micro 6 is designed for the home with multiple connected devices. The system supports Wi-Fi 6 mesh networking, beamforming, and intelligent device management in order to improve the stability around the house. Another useful feature is seamless roaming. As you move through the house, the devices automatically switch between the nodes without disconnecting. So depending on the package, the main router includes a 2.5 gigahertz WAN port along with the gigabit Ethernet LAN ports for the wired devices. So this is useful for the users with faster broadband plans or anyone that is planning to use wired backhaul between mesh nodes. So overall, this Linksys Velop Micro 6 mesh system feels like a solid and easy to use Wi-Fi 6 mesh setup for everyday home users. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.